Impressed by the stores anymore. Pick up the things thrown on the floor. I don't feel that high when I buy. I'm feeling lighter as the messes say goodbye. Life is better. I feel stronger, no longer searching for more. My happy place is sitting in peace in a home that keeps me safe and warm. Letting the stresses just pass me by. Hold on to what's good, release what's not. Life doesn't wait, it just keeps moving on. Yeah, so let's live. Every corner, every little space feels like freedom, feels like grace. I'm letting go of what weighs me down. Breathing easy, that's true. Life is better. I feel stronger, no longer searching for more. My happy place is sitting in peace in a home that keeps me safe and warm. I'm loving life, yeah, I'm loving life. Letting the stresses just pass me by. Hold on to what's good, release what's not. Life doesn't wait, it just keeps moving on. Yeah, so let's live. All the clutter, all the noise, I'm trading it for simple joys. Clear the space, clear my mind. Happiness is what I find. I'm loving life, yeah, I'm loving life. Letting the stresses just pass me by. Hold on to what's good, release what's not. Life doesn't wait, it just keeps moving on. Yeah, so let's live. Turn the music up, let the sun shine in. Kick off your shoes, girl, let's begin. Grab that basket, don't think too long. One little move turns into strong. Pick it up, put it where it goes. Sweep that floor, yeah, heaven knows. Once you start, you're halfway there. Feels kinda good, get it some fresh air. One thing done turns into two. Look at this room, look at you. Wipe it down, spin around. Momentum's kicking, it won't slow down. Clean it up, move it out. Shake off the stress, stomp the dial. Room by room, hum that song. Didn't take long once you got going strong. It ain't about perfect, it's just the proof. Little bit of effort, big ol' move. Small win stack, that's how it goes. Bless this mess. Now look at those flows. I'm feeling better, feeling brighter every mother, let it light be alright. This heart feels full, this life feels right. Happy full for the next right thing, chasing dreams and fragile wings, moving fast but standing still, trying hard on my own will. Then I slowed down, felt the ground, heard a whisper in the quiet sound. Slow your days in steady faith, trust my timing, trust my ways. Each new morning brings fresh mercy, every prayer is a promise sealed. What you sow in faith will rise right before your eyes. I'm planting seeds of glory, watered by His grace, trading rush for purpose, peace for the race. Now I'm living intentional, watching blessings flow from a little faith and gratitude. I'm reaping what I sow. Oh, joy comes easy now. I know God is faithful. Watch it grow. Clear the clutter from my soul, let go of what I can't control. Save my money, save my time, found the beauty in simple life. Less noise, more light, more laughter every night. Every small and steady choice, turn my struggle into a voice. Every tear was like a rain, falling down but not in vain. Roots grow deep where trust is found, breakthroughs underneath the ground. I'm planting seeds of glory, watered by His grace, trading rush for purpose, peace for the race. Now I'm living intentional, watching blessings flow from a little faith and gratitude. I'm reaping what I sow. Oh, joy comes easy now. I know God is faithful. Watch it grow. There was a season out of sight where faith was learning how to fight, but hidden doesn't mean it's gone. That's where strength is born. He turns the soil of broken dreams into fields of destiny. What felt like loss was victory, growing into testimony. We planted seeds of glory, standing in His grace. No more running empty, we found our pace, living into intentional overflow. So from a little faith and gratitude, He multiplied it all. Joy rising like the dawn, His faithfulness goes on and on. So I'll keep sowing, keep believing. Every season high gets meaning, from the dirt to destiny. Look what He's grown in me. Hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. Sunlight dancing on the floor, windows open, let it pour. Turn the music way up loud, goodbye mess, I'm clearing space now. Little steps, one at a time, fold the laundry, feeling fine. Sweep it out, shake it free. This home feels like victory. Trash bags filling up the doubt. Watch that chaos walk right out. Every drawer I organize feels like leveling up my life. It's that clean slate energy. Fresh start living inside of me. Sparkle in the air, breathe. Clutter gone, I feel so free. This joy is contagious, can't you see? One small bright. It's that clean slate energy. Grateful heart is the recipe. From the floor to the ceiling high. We're building peace one move at a time. Clutter out. Confidence in. That's how transformation begins. Okay. I'm not chasing fame. You can't buy my name. I know who I am, and I'm not ashamed. I've walked through fire. I felt the strain, but I didn't come out the same. Dust on my feet, tears in the night, praying for morning, holding on tight. When I couldn't see what he could see, he was riding victory. Every battle tells the story of his mercy and his glory. What the enemy meant for pain, God has turned to praise. I'm rising because of what God has done. Out of the shadows into the sun, he brought me through the dust. Now my hope is built on trust. Calling on Jesus, he made me new. Grace ran deeper than I ever knew. I was lost, but now I'm free. Washed in love, washed clean. Alarm clock singing, babies calling, coffee brewing, sunlight falling, messy done. Yesterday's dreams, living life in betweens. Tiny shoes by the front door, laundry mountain, maybe more. But grace meets me right on time. He reminds me this life is mine. He writes my story, page by page. Even in the toddler stage, I rise in the morning light, covered in his strength and might. I'm winning in the morning, even when it's wild and loud. Chosen for this calling, and I'm wearing it proud. He placed these babies in my arms, knew that I was strong enough. This is holy, this is joy, this is more than just tough. Heaven cheering me on, I'm already overcoming. He makes my story, so I rise every morning. Lunchbox notes and little prayers, brushing tangles out of hair. Carpool karaoke praise, growing souls in simple ways. Saving honor, building dreams, teaching kindness, planting seeds. Every tear I wipe away is shaping who they'll be someday. He writes my story, steady and sweet, turns my chaos into peace. I rise in the morning sun, knowing victory's already won. I'm winning in the morning, even when it's wild and loud. not perfect, but I'm present. Not flawless, but I'm faithful. Every little sacrifice is beautiful and purposeful.